here, I'm in St. Paul, Minnesota. As you can see, it's beautiful. It's nice and sunny. And I'm driving on this road here that looks like a country road in Twin Cities, Minnesota. You can see there's a high bridge there that crosses the Mississippi River. The Mississippi River is just beyond those brushes to my right. So thank you for joining me here. You can't see the river from here because there is those trees. But I call this country road because it looks like a country road in the Twin Cities. You can see people walking right there to my right. There's a river. See blue water? That's a Mississippi River. The mighty Mississippi River right there. And people walking. So let's drive together. If you're not a subscriber, smash that subscribe button and turn notifications on so you're notified every time I post, which I do every single day. If this is the first time for you to visit, thank you so much. Give us a like. A like helps with the YouTube algorithm to push this video to more viewers. So that's how you support us. Once again, let's drive here on Country Road in the Twin Cities, Minnesota. That's a river right in front of me, the Mississippi River. I'll show you something here. That's a trail here. People walk or ride bikes. But what I want to show you over there is a bridge. Seems like it's an old bridge. It's no longer used. Seems like it fell into the river. You can see the bridge over there. That used to be functional years ago. It looks like a railroad. But I'll show you in a second. I'm right by the water's edge, the Mississippi River. I see people on a boat over there. So look at that bridge. Seems like it just collapsed and it's no longer used. The train used to cross the Mississippi River right there. Going that way is going south. Past Chicago all the way to Louisiana and Mississippi State, and going that way is north to the source. Let's go back and drive on the country road here. Wanted to show you that. I park on this road here so I can show you the Mississippi River. It's a beautiful day. You can see this road here is not busy at all. No cars coming and no cars coming here on the other side. Nothing. See a Tesla. It's a narrow road over here. Narrow. see a big duck over there. That's huge. Just sitting. And there is an eagle's nest out there. Not sure if you can see that. Yep, eagle's nest. A huge duck just sitting. Nice and quiet over here. It doesn't feel like I'm in the city. No cars, no buildings, no people walking. Nice and quiet, peaceful. It's a nice place to come and ride a bike or even walk because I have a trail. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you live in St. Paul, have you ever been on this road? It starts at the Harriet Island or Regional Park. We're gonna follow the road all the way to where it ends. Just driving slowly here. See the river, Mississippi River, right there. Sometime during spring, this road gets closed because the river floods and it comes onto the road here. Again, to my right is a Mississippi River, right there, right next to the road. And this road ends over here. Once again, thank you so much for joining me, and if you are not subscribed, kindly support the work, turn notifications on, and come back and watch more videos. I have thousands of videos to keep you entertained. Alright, we'll see you on the next video. Take care of yourself and those you love. Peace out.